Everyone, today I'm making body spray. It's summertime. I think it's officially summer now. It's really nice outside, so when we're sweating and stuff outside, we do need some body spray. And this body spray will be available for giveaways for the summer coming up, maybe July. I think I have a giveaway in July. And I clean everything and spritz it with 70% rubbing alcohol for sterilization. I've measured. I'm not using a scale because this isn't, when you're measuring in volume, you do need a measuring volume beaker. I mean, this is an anchor that I use, and it measures all my ingredients, because all my ingredients is in liquid, and everything has to be measured in liquid. So I'm gonna get my gloves on and I'll bring you back. I'm going to measure out the distilled water. I need to measure a little bit more distilled water, and I'm holding it up to eye level to measure. I need 100. To color this water before I'm going to color this water blue, a few drops of blue. I mix some mica into some poly, because I cannot put the mica directly into the water. It's not soluble in water. I'm gonna measure some silk to give the body spray a nice silky feel to it. So I'm gonna measure this in here. And what I need is about 10 milliliters of silk in there. So I'm going to use my pipette, and I'm going to measure out 3 times this pipette, 3 times, and stir that in there. So I need 2 more of this. Let me put, this is another silk ingredient. The first one I put was silicone. This is not a silicone ingredient, but it also gives the body a nice feel. So I'm gonna put 4 of this in here to measure out my fragrance. And this smells absolutely, yes, I can smell the white peach. I can smell the grapefruit in this, but I'm smelling a lot of white peach in here, which is really nice. Oops. So I think I'm gonna do about 1.5 ml. I'm gonna do 2 mils of the tangerine grape, and I'm gonna do about a milliliter, because it's a strong fragrance. You don't need a lot. So about a milliliter of this, and going to go with half of this. So you have to go with like 2 mils of the fragrance. Oops, that's way too much. The fragrance enhancer into the fragrance. Drop it into the fragrance. So I'm going to add my fragrance. I am finished with my body spray, and all I need to do is to pour it in this container. So each bottle is about 110, I think 110 milliliters. So yay, I am finished. Thank you for watching my video. I will catch you in the next video. I think the next video is going to be about sugar scrubs for the feet. Oh yes, because our feet is going to be out there in our nice sexy shoes. For the women, you women, and for the men too, you know, because you guys wear open toes sandals. So yeah, this is my body spray. It smells really, really nice, and it's so fun and energizing scent. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.